Today I'm going to share with y'all this quick little video on this great little spray bottle. We're not sponsored, bought it with our own money, but this is the best little thing Travis has ever got me, I think, off of Amazon. This is a neat little gadget, and I thought I'd share it exactly how it works. You fill it up with your own oil of your choice. Today we're going to be putting avocado oil in it. So we're going to go ahead and fill it up. Now I've always bought the spray in a can, and you really don't know exactly what's in those spray bottles you buy. Doing it with this, you know exactly what kind of oil you're putting on your food. Okay, so you can fill it up. It has this little twist that turns real good. Now this is what it looks like. Now the way this little bottle works, if you pump it once, it comes out in a fast mist, one pump. If you pump it quick, you get more of a spray and it comes out a little faster. And it also has this little thing. You can flip the lid and actually pour it out also. So depending on how much you want to put in your skillet, it serves 3 different purposes. Today we're fixing to just toast our burritos we made for breakfast, and I'm going to share with y'all how this works. Okay, you can either pour your oil, and I'm just going to pour a tiny bit because I don't need much in there for what I'm trying to do, just to show y'all how it looks. That's when you pour it. If you don't want to pour the oil, you shut the lid and you pump it one time, and you get a fine mist. Now if you take it and you pump it fast and like 2 or 3 times, you get more to come out and you spray your skillet more. Now I'll link this down below. These are the neatest little bottles, and it serves a lot of different purposes. They're around $8. They're on Amazon. And if this company was to want to contact me for more products, I'd be glad to show them off. But this one, I just happened to see it one day and asked them to get it for me. But this one we got ourselves off of Amazon. So now we're just going to toast our burritos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.